almost ready for Halloween. Let's see the list. Indoor decorations. Check. Candies? Well, kind of. Outdoor decor? Check. Since that's sorted, I can finally focus on something making purely for myself. And this year I fancy a spooky Halloween mask. Usually I go for theatrical makeup and combining some clothes from my wardrobe to make a costume. And I never ever had a mask. But you know me, I'm not into this buying from store rubbery masks. Breathing tires never was appealing to me. As you remember, I recently taught myself how to make paper from scratch, well, recycling paper, so that naturally leads to papier-mâché. Looking at old photos of trick-or-treaters and Halloween celebrations, you often see this material to be used, and it has this old-timey, warm feel that I adore. And the possibilities are endless. Did you ever heard about cashmere papier-mâché? Wow, it's just mind-blowing. It came from Persia in 19th century and it's just reached breathtaking highest peaks of artsy. Wiki claims that roots of papier-mâché go all the way from ancient China, which proves that people in the past were already thinking about recycling. So, material chosen, but what about shape? That proved trickier. I made a Pinterest board for inspiration, carefully avoiding AI-generated clutter, which sadly has begun to swamp the place. Look at these masks! They are wonderfully charming. I like those kids, judging by their size. And I rather wish I'd had something like that with my friends growing up. Still, even after all this search, I couldn't settle on design. But I know two things. I wanted red and I want small horns. Well, let's begin with that. Also, I just can't not brag. Sorry. Look. So I painted, with help obviously. And the room, it was brilliant white. Don't like brilliant white. Also look, the ceiling as well. Yay! And recently I helped to install the warm floor, heating floor. That's Anton's office. Well, future Anton's office. I think we did a great job. This for walking. These cardboards, not to damage the precious heating floor. Okay, let's go. Let's go and make something. Yeah, and also, my poor workshop is just full of stuff. Oh. It's pleasantly disgusting. I don't know how else to describe it, but it's just kind of weird. I also think that I need to remove water as much as possible because the drying time will increase if it will be too wet. So I'm trying to press it down as best as I can. White paper clings to my hands like these dead souls to Hades. The Disney cartoon. Ugh. I'm not that brave to use my own face as a mold, so I found this pathetic thing. It's very flimsy, but it kind of fits my face. So I'm going to use this as a mold. Should I tape it? I think I should tape it. But before I tape it, I think I would like to make lines where I want my mask to end. So I must confess, I never made a papier-mâché before. And, well, I guess you just need PVA and paper pulp. From what I gathered, you need to make kind of clay or door thing. So it shouldn't be runny, but let's see, I don't know. Hey, so exciting! It smells like PVA. It's a surprise for me that I can smell anyway, because I'm new. It doesn't look like clay, to be honest. I think it's just too wet. Yeah, it's just too wet. Okay, now I can see how people compare it to a door. Ooh, too much. Almost. Okay. It's really like a door, like a cookie dough. You know, a little bit crumbling. Wow. Interesting. And that was just the first layer, because I want to add some details to the first layer, and also, you remember, I want holes. First thing I thought about X. So anyway, look at this. Look at these little pimples. I think they will be perfect. Oh, and also, because I want to put some ribbon, I think I will use a little like fabric patches into the area where I want to attach ribbon to mask. Unfortunately, I came down with a flu just right in the middle of painting the mask, so I didn't record any of finishing touches. They were very simple though, just adding shadows and highlights. They're supposed to be. I assume some people do that, their regular makeup. Some dry brushing on the horns and where the smoky eyes should be, and very wet black paint to make tears. I was inspired by Magella's succubus, and then I saw a Higgs mask from Death Stranding 2, and it's just consolidate my design with black tears as well. It's not a complicated paint job, but it was unbelievably hard while I was feeling under the weather. My throat was killing me. Well, to be honest, I'm not feeling well right now, but don't worry, I'm on the mend now. To my surprise, the mask turned quite solid, and I think I should thank a coffee cup holders that I added to mix. And now I can see that papier-mâché could turn probably into anything, even furniture perhaps. Just don't forget to put the cement sealer before the painting. And if you're curious and you notice that my views dropped, I have no idea why, and this mystery is under investigation now. Something with YouTube. I don't know. Right, I'm off to recover properly, and I hope that I will feel healthy enough to wear this mask on Halloween this season. Yeah, don't forget about your flu jab. And please take care. Cheers! Almost